Mutton biryani. Seven minus 8 green elaichi, 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 8-10 cloves, and 2 tsps of shazira. Transfer spices in a jar. Grind it. Garam masala powder is ready. Heat oil in a kadai and fry 4-5 finely sliced onion. Stir in between. Fry until golden brown. Onion is fried well. Remove fried onion in a plate. Fried onion is done. Transfer 1.5 grams of mutton in a utensil. Add salt as per taste. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon salt and mix them very nicely. Garam masala powder. Give a nice mix. Add 3 lemon juice. Add 2 cups of curd. Add 1 cup of chopped mint and coriander leaves. Crush fried onion and add. Mix them very nicely. Add 4 to 5 teaspoons of oil in which onion was fried. Mix yak meat nicely with oil. Leave marinated yak meat for 4-5 hours. Heat 3-4 jugs of water in a wide utensil and add salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of shazira, 3 to 4 cloves, 4 to 5 green elaichi, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, and add 1 teaspoon of oil and cover it. Soak 1.5 kilogram of basmati rice for 1 to 2 hours. Water is boiling well. At this point, add soaked basmati rice. Give a mix. Cover and cook on high flame. % of rice is cooked. Strain the water. Add 2 cups of hot rice water in yak meat. Give a mix. Add cooked rice. Spread rice evenly. Garnish with fried onion. Add chopped mint and coriander leaves. Add 1 ts of lemon yellow and red food color. Close lid. Put utensil on high flame and cook for 10 minutes. Rotate from sides and cook. Place tawa below utensil and let it be on dum for 20 to 25 minutes on low flame. Biryani is cooked well. Turn off flame. Mutton biryani is ready. Time to dish out biryani. Mutton is juicy and tender with long basmati rice and flavorful fragrance. Flavorful and tasty biryani is ready. Tasty and delicious mutton biryani is ready to serve. Do try and enjoy this yummy and delicious biryani in this way. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.